Welcome to the world of Project AITHEROS, a revolutionary concept in advanced propulsion and vehicle design. Drawing inspiration from the Greek word AITH letter 1E17R, meaning the radiant upper sky, AITHEROS represents a bold leap beyond traditional aircraft, submarines, or spacecraft. Instead, it envisions a single, adaptable platform capable of operating seamlessly across sky, sea, space, and transitional environments. This video will guide you through the foundational theories, engineering breakthroughs, and the unique lenticular design that sets AITHEROS apart from anything before it. AITHEROS is built on the foundational curvature modulation hypothesis. Instead of relying on the classic idea of gravity as a push or pull, the system focuses on localized metric gradient engineering. This means that, rather than producing thrust in the traditional sense, AITHEROS attempts to influence spatial curvature by manipulating energy density gradients through dynamically reconfigured quantum boundaries. The result is local metric asymmetry, a subtle but powerful way to interact with the fabric of spacetime itself. Central to the AITHEROS framework is a modified spacetime field relationship, labeled AITH-EQ01. This equation connects the curvature of spacetime, energy, momentum, the vacuum contribution, and the metric tensor. By engineering local asymmetries in these fields, the system can, in theory, generate motion without direct thrust. This approach moves beyond conventional propulsion, opening the door to entirely new ways of traversing different environments. The Casimir effect, a quantum phenomenon, is harnessed in AITHEROS to generate force between closely spaced plates. The force is calculated using the formula Fcas equals /frac /pi2 h bar C240 d4, where the distance between plates is dynamically modulated. By synchronizing thousands of these tiny effects, the system can amplify the overall field influence, providing a foundation for field-mediated motion. The node field, represented as N, R equals N0 E /beta R$, and the antinode field, ART, equals A0 sin KR omega T$, work together to create zones of compression and expansion within the craft. By carefully controlling these fields, AITHEROS can generate motion through thrust asymmetry, described by \vec T equals \gamma \nabla A \nabla N$. This innovative approach allows for precise control over movement in any environment. Unlike conventional vehicles, AITHEROS operates as a closed intelligent energy ecosystem. Instead of engines and exhaust, it relies on field creation, shaping, and space interaction to generate motion. This integrated approach means that propulsion, power, AI, and protection are interconnected, functioning as a single, self-regulating organism rather than a collection of separate machines. To understand the difference, consider how a traditional aircraft operates. Fuel powers an engine, which creates thrust and results in motion. In contrast, AITHEROS uses energy to create and shape fields, which then interact with space itself to produce movement. This fundamental shift in approach allows for unprecedented versatility and efficiency. The first step in AITHEROS operation is energy generation. The craft creates or stores large amounts of usable energy using compact high-density power sources, superconductive storage rings, capacitor banks, and field recycling loops. This energy acts as the lifeblood of the system, powering all subsequent operations. Only once sufficient energy is available does the system move forward. Raw energy is often unstable and unsuitable for direct use. AITHEROS conditions this energy through converters, resonant regulators, phase controllers, thermal stabilizers, and AI balancing systems. This process is similar to water treatment. Raw energy enters, and controlled, synchronized energy exits, ready to power the craft's advanced systems. The central propulsion section contains thousands of tiny cavity structures. By rapidly adjusting the gaps between these cavities, the system leverages quantum effects, individually weak, but collectively powerful when synchronized. The AI manages this process in real time, ensuring that the dynamic geometry produces the desired field effects. Weak energy effects from the Casimir array are amplified using photonic structures, resonance rings, field synchronizers, lattice networks, and metamaterial structures. The system times these amplifications perfectly, much like pushing a swing at just the right moment, to maximize the resulting motion. AITHEROS creates zones of compression and expansion. Some areas pull, others push. By balancing these zones, the craft can hover. By unbalancing them, it moves. This field-based approach replaces traditional thrust, allowing for highly controlled, omnidirectional movement. Human reaction times are too slow for the complex, rapidly changing environment inside AITHEROS. The AI acts as a conductor, regulating resonance, monitoring sensors, stabilizing fields, routing power, and predicting instability. Millions of calculations are performed continuously to keep the system running smoothly and safely. Traditional aircraft rely on ailerons, rudders, and flaps for control. AITHEROS, however, changes its field geometry to maneuver. By adjusting energetic topology, the craft can accelerate, decelerate, turn, hover, or spin, all without moving physical control surfaces. This makes movement more fluid and adaptable to any environment. Unlike normal engines that waste energy as heat, sound, or exhaust, AITHEROS recovers unused energy. Capture systems collect this energy, condition it, and store it for reuse. This process is similar to regenerative braking in electric vehicles, greatly improving overall efficiency. High accelerations can be dangerous for humans. AITHEROS includes adaptive seating, fluidic dampening, biometric monitoring, and emergency stabilization systems. The AI predicts and mitigates dangerous conditions before they occur, ensuring the safety and comfort of everyone on board. AITHEROS is designed for seamless cooperation between human operators and AI. Humans make mission decisions, while the AI manages system operations. This layered structure ensures that strategic choices remain with people, while technical control is handled by the system for optimal performance. The complete AITHEROS system flow starts with energy generation, followed by conditioning, Casimir array activation, field amplification, node, antinode shaping, AI synchronization, field vector control, motion, energy recovery, and continuous stabilization. This closed-loop process makes AITHEROS behave more like a living organism than a traditional vehicle. AITHEROS is designed to operate in sky, sea, space, and transitional environments. Unlike traditional vehicles that are optimized for a single medium, AITHEROS uses a field-centered architecture. The craft interacts primarily with energy fields and system geometry, making the surrounding environment a secondary consideration. In the atmosphere, AITHEROS uses boundary layer field shaping, active plasma interaction, vector field control, and dynamic pressure management. The lenticular shape reduces drag, controls turbulence, and provides stability at high speeds. Its symmetry and large internal volume further enhance performance, allowing for omnidirectional movement and distributed lift. Underwater, AITHEROS faces increased drag and pressure. The lenticular geometry smooths fluid flow, reduces turbulence, and distributes pressure. Adaptive hull systems change properties in real time, providing variable rigidity, vibration damping, and acoustic reduction. The absence of wings, turbines, or propellers minimizes noise and cavitation, making the craft stealthy and efficient. In space, AITHEROS operates without air, water, or drag. The symmetric saucer shape allows for movement in any direction, forward, backward, sideways, or vertical. Unlike rockets that rely on propellant, AITHEROS aims to avoid reaction mass altogether, using field-mediated motion for full vector operation. AITHEROS is engineered to move seamlessly across space, atmosphere, ocean, and surface without redesign. Conventional vehicles cannot transition between these environments efficiently, but AITHEROS maintains continuous operation thanks to its unified architecture and adaptive systems. The lenticular, or saucer, shape of AITHEROS serves multiple functions. Its symmetry allows for instant vector changes and rotational balance. The large internal volume houses energy systems, resonance structures, and AI cores. Structurally, domes efficiently distribute stress, while the circular geometry supports ring resonances and toroidal fields, essential for the craft's unique propulsion. The exploded poster of AITHEROS reveals its internal structure. The outer shell interacts with the environment, upper and lower rings stabilize and vector fields, the middle node lattice manages resonance, and the central vertical beam transports energy. The outer halo forms the boundary field envelope, encapsulating the entire system. AITHEROS relies on AI to manage the complex interplay of environmental pressure, temperature, energy allocation, stability, resonance, and field geometry. Humans simply cannot adjust all these variables quickly enough. The AI ensures optimal performance and safety across all environments, acting as the true conductor of this technological orchestra. Ultimately, AITHEROS is not just an aircraft, submarine, or spacecraft. It is a single, adaptable energetic platform, one structure, one control system, one energy architecture, capable of thriving in multiple environments. This unified approach eliminates the need for redesign when moving between mediums, representing a paradigm shift in vehicle design and operation.